I'm kind of hungry. What do we have for breakfast today? Oh yeah, bacon. Bacon. What goes well with bacon? Eggs, right? Yeah, let's go and grab some eggs from the chickens from the barn. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to No Risk, No Farm. My name is Leo Risk, and today we will prepare a breakfast together. Come along as we grab some eggs from the chickens. Yeah. Good girl. Come. So let's see if we got some eggs here already. Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh yeah. Nice and colorful ones. The rooster is saying good morning. Good morning, rooster. Okay, that should be enough for breakfast. What do you think? Should be good. Okay, before we get into it, we need to quickly clean the eggs. So, and of course, we need to preheat the pan. I think I will start with that now already. Just on low, like this. For those of you who know me a little bit better, you know that I'm usually not that often in the kitchen. I'm not a very good cook, I have to admit, or a cook at all. But some of you know that my wife was in the hospital for a couple of days, and then I had to do something here. And she taught me over the phone how to cook some eggs, and I'm thankful for that. Now she's home already, and we thank you for all your prayers and your support. I know lots of you guys were praying for us, and we were very thankful for that. Yeah, and the advantage this whole situation had was that I was forced to do something in the kitchen. So I learned a couple of things here, and one of them is to cook some bacon and eggs. Okay, now that the eggs are clean, I think actually I will start with the bacon first to cut it down a little bit in smaller pieces. Slice it up, and that will be fried first, the chicken, the bacon. I wish YouTube would have some sort of smell a device or so, that you could actually smell that. It's really good when the bacon is about to get ready in the pan. It's so good. Okay, now that the bacon is kind of cut down a little bit, I wait for the pan to heat. Meanwhile, I will prepare the eggs. Some of them are really big. Some of them are a bit smaller. Not sure why. Probably each chicken has a different performance, I guess. Now I break them down a little bit, and per each egg I put in, I add some milk. The ratio is per egg 1 tablespoon of milk. Okay, let's put in that and then mix it nicely together. Oh, that's a bit more, but it doesn't hurt. 2. And 1 for the pan. Okay. Now mix it nicely. This bowl I'm using right now, it reminds me of our vacation in Spain. A couple of years ago we went to Spain and we picked up those bowls. That was a good time. There was a guy at the beach doing some pottery work, and he was selling some of his work, and we bought a couple of those pieces. So when you add salt, I'm just using a little teaspoon, half of it, yeah, basically the front half of it, so not too much because the bacon is also salty. And in this case I used smoked bacon, and add some pepper as well. Yeah, I used smoked bacon. It will give an extra flavor. Okay, it's about ready. At least the preparation here. Now the pan is preheated and we can put in the bacon there. Oh yeah. Yeah, we like the bacon a little bit more on the crispy side, so I let it fry for a little bit longer. But now it's ready to put the eggs in. Mix it nicely so that the bacon are spread out evenly, so that each bite is a delight. We don't like our eggs too scrambled down, so that's why I'm only moving it very slowly here and making sure it doesn't stick to the pan, and just I think turn it once or twice in the whole process. Okay, it's ready, and I will give it a try. Look at this bright yellow color. I wish I could share it with you. So good. Perfect. Thank you guys for joining me when I prepare the breakfast. I hope you will have a good day. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. God bless.